In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bank transfer option in WP Travel Engine. This is a useful feature that allows your customers to pay for bookings via bank deposits, which can be a more secure and preferred method for some transactions. To start, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main screen of your WordPress site where all your site management tasks can be done. From here, you'll navigate to the WP Travel Engine plugin. Look for the side menu on your dashboard, and there you will find WP Travel Engine. Clicking on it will open a submenu where you should select Settings. We're diving into this section because this is where all the configuration magic happens for your WP Travel Engine, including payment settings. Next, you'll see various tabs at the top of the page. You want to click on the Payments tab. This tab is crucial as it houses all the payment options available for your use within the WP Travel Engine. Here, you can manage and set up all things related to payment gateways that your site will offer. Once you're in the Payments tab, scroll down until you see the option labeled Bank Deposit, Bank Transfer. This is the section that directly deals with accepting payments through bank transfers. Now you'll see an option named Enable Bank Deposit. You'll need to toggle this option to the On position. Doing this means you're allowing bank transactions as a payment method for your travelers. Now that bank deposits are enabled, it's time to enter your bank account details. This section requires careful attention, as these details are essential for clients wanting to transfer payments. You'll need to enter the bank name first. Make sure you input the official name as it appears to avoid any confusion, then move on to the account name. It's vital here to ensure the name matches the one on the actual bank account. This precision helps in verifying transactions without issues. After the account name, input your account number. Double check this to ensure its accuracy, as any discrepancies could potentially misroute the payments. Next, you'll fill in the branch name. If your bank account is associated with a specific branch, mention it here. It aids in identifying the right account. Additionally, if you have a SWIFT, BSI, or IBAN code related to your bank, this is where you would input it. This is optional but useful for international transactions. Moving forward, add any specific payment instructions. This can be something like, please send proof of deposit to our email. Providing clear instructions helps your customers know exactly what to do post-payment, minimizing confusion and ensuring all parties are informed. Finally, after you've checked and ensured all your details are correct, scroll to the bottom of the page. You'll see two options, Save and Continue or Save Changes. Click on one to ensure all your new settings are saved. This final step ensures all your inputs are recorded and the bank transfer option is active on your site. There you have it. You've successfully configured bank transfers in WP